as Joseph Magwanga, the gubernatorial MP, the gubernatorial candidate for Homa Bay, I want to state very clearly that you came out in large numbers to vote. After voting, then a wrong person was declared the winner. And this is none other than Cyprianus Aweti Otieno. And I'm calling the intervention of the board. And more importantly, I'm asking each and every citizen of Homa Bay to remain peaceful until National Elections Board act on this matter. Wayere koso kwa yere. Wayere koso kwa yere. We are calling upon the National Election Board to nullify Awiti's result and give the result to whoever won the election. ODM. Wawinjore koso kwa winjore. Pass. Koro wadwa wacho ne some few people who are appointed as the SEP members bungled the process and we ended up with a wrong result. ODM. So I'm appealing to you for peaceful ODM. I'm appealing to you for peaceful procession and ensure that your rights are protected, defended by the leaders. ODM. Baskora Winjo.